Hi there, my name is Deepanch and welcome to our channel Keep Hustling D. Today, in this video we will discuss top ways to generate passive incomes that can help you generate $500 per day. This video will be followed by answers to 3 queries for each method and how much work is needed to begin it. Now the first question arises that how long it takes to make your first $500 and how much work it takes to keep it. There is no such thing as passive income. No one will just start throwing money at your feet without you doing anything. I'll rate each of these ideas on a scale of 1 to 3 magic lamps, with 1 being easy and 3 being difficult. However, the 4th idea is the only one that is truly passive. But let's be honest, despite how much we all desire financial success, creating passive income is really more about freedom and investing in your future than it is about making a regular 9-to-5 job in a soulless office. The internet is full of get-rich-quick scammers preying on people with false hopes and dreams. Having enough passive income gives you the freedom to pursue your passions, whether that's giving to charity, traveling the world, or simply relaxing at home. What matters is that you get to make that decision, not some ranking boss. But in reality, it's extremely uncommon to become a millionaire overnight. It takes work. Additionally, knowing this dirty little secret about making money is important because, at the end of the day, it all comes down to providing value to others. The more value you provide, the more money you can earn. Let's start with this video that is jam-packed with value. There is so much money flowing about online that it would be a shame if you didn't get a piece of it. In fact, according to this graph, there were very few billionaires with the letter B in the 80s and 90s. There are 134 billionaires in the world today thanks to the internet, which caused them to multiply like rabbits. You can generate passive income with an online business by selling 2 different kinds of products. The first is a digital product, which can be anything you can imagine that was primarily created on a computer, such as a course on how to eat a cheeseburger, an Excel template, an app, or a website. It's incredible that you, depending on the product, like an Excel template is about 1 magic lamp after you construct it, you just need to sell it on a website and you don't even need to know anything about building sites. You only need to produce it once and you can theoretically sell it an endless number of times. There are many programs available, like as Shopify and Squarespace, that allow you to just drag and drop, and then you're done. I'm not cool, I know it. It's my fault, man, I didn't know you were there. Physical goods, like this water bottle or this mouse, are entirely different animals, and they exist in the real world. It's more difficult to create them because you need the necessary infrastructure, resources, and labor, roughly 3 magic lamps, to do so. Ensuring your internet business stands out requires roughly 2.5 magic lamps. Physical goods also don't scale as well. Consider the fact that every time someone buys a thing, you have to make a new duplicate and mail it. Despite the fierce competition, the key is to think creatively, and this is my plan. To make your first $500, find a really specific niche, such as selling bidets, then examine other, more successful, unrelated niches, such as selling ottomans, and see how you can incorporate their style landing page or whatever it is into your own website. You can use this strategy for just about any business. Roughly 2 magic bulbs worth. Indeed, depending on how much you stand out, it could take anywhere from a few weeks to a few years. The average startup takes 2 to 3 years to see any profits at all. But once you get a good flow going, it only takes about 1.5 magic lamps to maintain if you have a good team and automation in place. You just need to keep up with trends and be on the lookout for any new competitors for this next passive income, which brings up the issue of quantity versus quality of clients. Even today, it's still extremely possible to launch a profitable YouTube channel. 1 magic lamp, anyone can create an account in a minute and start uploading whatever content they want. But this is where it gets tricky standing out on YouTube because competition is fierce. Only about 0.25 of creators or less than 80,000 channels actually earn any money. However, you do have to do something very specific that I'll explain in terms of difficulty of getting started. Work harder than I ever have since this is my business, my livelihood, and my unborn child, and I need to ensure its financial and digital security. I want to thank today's sponsor because they understand the importance of digital security for operating any successful online business. It just takes 1 mistake, such as clicking on a bad link or downloading the incorrect thing, to lose access to your accounts. If you didn't already know, 150 million Google users are being enrolled in a 2-step verification process by Yubico to secure your online accounts. It only took me a few seconds to set everything up. And here's why it's so cool: even if someone gets my account username and password, they still can't log in because they need to physically have this little guy. Think of it like a physical key to secure your online world. And because you buy keys, these little guys will make the security transition much easier. Google, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook password managers are compatible with these keys. Several accounts and cryptocurrency exchanges, and you can secure many accounts with the same key. If you're a creator or involved in any kind of online company, check out the link in the description below to YubiKeys to safeguard your digital world, and use the discount code Vincent5 to save $5 on any security key series or YubiKey 5 series key. The security key CNFC is 29. Everything you think you know about this passive income source is false. Contrary to popular belief, affiliate marketing doesn't require you to have a large following or to be a super influencer to be successful. Affiliate marketing is only the discussion of about a great product from someone else and how you can earn money whenever someone clicks on your link. See this. Some brands prefer to work with smaller influencers rather than the Kim Kardashian type because it's more affordable, but it's also because the engagement rate, a metric that demonstrates how engaged your audience is higher with these influencers. Micro-influencers typically have between a few hundred and a few thousand followers, so even if you have a small following on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or another platform, you can still make some money. Your material, the rate peaks at roughly 1,000 followers, or 8%, and subsequently falls to 1% for well-known celebs. Starting an affiliate marketing campaign for a fun magic lamp is simple. There are websites like TinySponsor that can put you in touch with many firms. Choose the ones you like and incorporate them into your own posts to earn your first $500. Your success will depend on your niche and follower count, but if most of your social media followers are just your friends and family, you could be earning tens to hundreds of dollars per post, a free product, and some kickback affiliate marketing commission depending on the brand. It'll be rather simple to maintain, but if you want to advance and earn more money over time, you must put in effort. You can't get any more passive than this income strategy. You just need to click a few buttons, and it's done. About one magic lamp. It works like this. You use your money to buy stock in a company, and if the company does well, you make money. If this doesn't happen, don't worry, there's a secret trick you can use to prevent it. There are ways to reduce the risk associated with stock investment, for example, by looking into something called an index fund. Investing in an index fund, which tracks the movement of hundreds of different stocks, is a way to automatically invest in a variety of stocks rather than one single stock like Apple that can go up or down. This is much less risky because, for example, if you only invested in Apple stock and it declines, your entire portfolio will also decline. But if you invest in an index fund, you're fairly diversified. It's similar to purchasing a mixed cheese platter for a gathering rather than bringing only one sort of cheese. The most well-known index is the S&P 500, which tracks the top 500 corporations including Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. The beautiful thing about investing as a passive income stream is that you don't have to be exceptional to do well. Since 1957, the S&P 500's average annualized return has been 10.67%, compared to the 0.06% average interest rate for typical savings accounts. That is, hold on, 17,000% higher, which translates to more money for you in the long run. To get started, simply open your preferred trading app and search for an index fund like FXX or VFIAX, which are Fidelity and Vanguard funds that track the S&P 500. However, before you buy or sell anything, please conduct your own research. I'm just a guy online who likes to dress smartly. Speaking of stocks, there is a simple way for you to get some for free. You can get 2 free stocks valued up to $7,000 with Moomoo if you deposit $1, and 3 free stocks valued up to $6,300 with Weibo if you deposit $1. The links are in the description below. Making your first $500 really depends on your situation, the amount of money you're investing, and market volatility, but it can be done. Technically, you wouldn't expect to have an extra $500 in a year because, in the short term, nobody can predict whether the market will go up or down in the future, not even Mr. Magic Lamp over there. As a result, your stocks could go up or down tomorrow. However, if you invest for the long term, like I do, the S&P 500 typically increases by 10% a year. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found these ideas helpful and are excited to start implementing them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.